Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Akash. Good morning, Murli. Good morning. Okay. Okay, let me share my screen and start the session. Okay. Okay, so till now we have seen the Docker file where we are actually, uh, you know, have the Docker file and the steps inside it. And then probably we do have the entry point, which is being used by Docker container in order to run the application, okay, inside a Docker container from the image itself. So what we have done, basically, we have executed two commands. The first one is Docker build -t and the image name with dot, the location of the Docker file. And then probably we do have Docker run -t and the image name. So this is what we have done till now. Okay. So I don't want to run these two commands in order to build and run the image. Can we do something else in order to run these two commands in a single command? Okay. So for that, what we will do, we will just define our Docker Compose tool. So I will tell you, not only for eliminating these two commands into a single command, we will also see that how we can actually use Docker Compose in order to establish communication between Docker containers. Okay. So first of all, what we can do, I will just create a new file, Docker compose.yaml. So here I just wanted to, write the version as 3.8. Okay, so let me tell you what is this version 3.8. Okay, so since we are using Docker compose.yaml, so let me go and search for this Docker compose version. So if we just go to this, so Docker compose has a lot of versions. So see here, compose file format and the Docker engine release. If our Docker engine is greater than 19 plus, then we have to use 3.8 as a Docker compose version. Okay. So if you just go to this Docker desktop, I just wanted to go to this settings. And here, can you see this? The Docker engine version is 24.0.6. Okay. So since it is 24, so whatever the Docker engines are greater than 19 plus versions, then we need to use the Docker Compose version as 3.8. So that's the total idea. So that's the reason we are going to use Docker Compose as a version over here. Okay. And now here we have to define the list of services. Right now, what is the service that we do have? So if you just go to this resources and go to this application.yaml. So here, I just wanted to give the application name as, that means the service name as demo. So I just wanted to do the same thing, demo. This is the service name. And the image name is also a demo, or we can just give demo image, something like this. Yeah, demo image. Or let's say I just wanted to call it image only. Okay, sorry, not the image, the demo, the application name. Okay, so here you can give the service name as my demo. Okay, so service names can be whatever you think of. So here you can give your own service name, and followed by image, and then followed by build. There is a build tag. So here I just wanted to mention dot. So dot means, so where this Docker Compose file is there, inside demo. Okay, so the Docker file is already located in the same root directory. So I can give dot. Dot means it will, we don't have to give, it's a Docker file. So obviously when we give dot, it knows Docker file name is Docker file. So it will obviously pick up this Docker file to build the image. Okay, with the name demo. And then probably we need to expose the port. The port is probably, I just wanted to expose this port on 8080 colon, container port also 8080. Okay, so I don't have to do anything else. Okay, so I can just go to this demo folder, open an Explorer, and I just wanted to open this in Git Bash, and that's it. Okay. So first of all, here we don't have to do, or we don't have to, build a Docker image and run a Docker image. Okay. So here inside the target, we already have demo 1.1 snapshot. Okay. So what we can do over here, so in the Docker file, it is 1.1 snapshot. That is fine. So now everything is fine. I just wanted to run Docker compose up. So this Docker compose can have n number of services inside the Docker compose. So whatever all the services are there, so those services are basically the images. That's it. Okay. So this service name, you can give whatever the name that you want to your application. Okay. But here the image name, you can also mention the same, that demo. So here, make sure that the image name is obviously matching your application name, the spring.application.name inside the application.yaml file. So whatever the name that you give over here, make sure that you always give this name. Even if you are not giving the same name, can probably give whatever the name that you want. But basically, when we are going to give spring.application.name, we call that as a service name. That's it. Okay. So that's the reason. So if you just go to this docker compose.yaml and probably just go and execute this command. So let me stop this application. Okay, so Docker Compose up. Okay, so this Docker Compose up, what it will basically do. So it will just find this Docker Compose. So basically, Docker Compose is basically used to execute Docker Compose file. And if you just go to this file, there are services. So here the service name is my demo, and the image name is this one. And here you can see that the build is dot. That means it files the Docker file over here. It will execute all these commands, and then probably it will expose the port on 8080, and the container also will run on 8080 port. Okay, so that's the total idea. Yes, right now the jar is already there. The jar is already there. So I don't have to build anything because we have not performed any changes in our application.yaml or inside our Java, right? So Docker Compose file, you can just do a Docker bear. You can do a Maven clean install directly if you just wanted to. But right now, Maven clean install also is not required because the jar is already existed. Okay. So here, what I basically do, Docker compose up. Just execute this command. See here, it is building the image. We don't have to build the image, and we don't have to run the image also. Okay, so Docker compose up will do everything for you. Okay, the Tomcat has been started, and then probably how we can test the application. You can just go to the Java, the test controller, and then probably you can call localhost 8080/test. That's it. That's all we need to do. Okay, so everything is done. So any doubts in this, first of all? Yes, right now it is exactly the same, Abhinav. They don't see, let's say if you have 20 plus services, how many times you do have to build your Docker image? 20 plus times. And let's say how many times you have to run your image? 20 plus times. So totally 40 plus times, correct? So building an image and running an image is a bit heavy process. So Docker Compose tool eliminates all those kind of stuff. So basically what you need to do in the Docker Compose, just give the image name and just give the location of the Docker file and expose the ports. This is what you need to do. That's it. Very simple. So for me, localhost is not working. I need to put Docker IP address. No, 1 second. To hit the URL. Okay, so let's see the same issue. Akash, I just wanted to unmute you from your side. So let's resolve all these issues, because unless we resolve all these issues, we will not be able to proceed further. Okay, Akash, tell me what is your issue?
Sir, for me, this local host is not working.
For me,
I need,
okay.
yeah, I need to put Docker IP every time.
No, not required. So can you share your screen first of all?
Yes, sir. Sir, can we do this at last? Yes. I don't want to disturb the class.
Okay, that is fine, because
Yeah,
unless we see the issues, people
okay.
will not be able to understand. So that's the total idea. No,
Okay.
you can just share your screen. Okay, Abhinav, thank you.
Sir, one second.
Akash, can you share your screen? Akash, can you hear me? Yes, Suresh.
Yeah, my question was like, is Docker useful for only DevOps engineer or like
No,
developer can also use it?
you will see how Docker is really useful for developers. Docker is not only designed for DevOps, it is actually designed for developers also.
Oh, yeah. Yes,
Suresh, you will see going further, you will understand why Docker is really important.
okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Prasad. Yeah. Um, Akash,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, share your screen,
Yeah,
Akash.
yeah, I'm sharing. So my screen is visible?
Abhinav, one
Hello?
second. No, 1 second, Akash.
Okay.
Sir, nowadays in every, what is this? So nowadays in every job description, there is Docker. Yes, of course, Docker is a part of not only the DevOps, it's a job of developers also right now. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, tell me now. Akash,
Yes, yes, sir. My screen is visible?
yeah, screen is visible. Tell me.
Okay.
Hmm.
So this is basic application.
Okay.
I keep this Docker file here.
Hmm.
It's slow, bit slow.
Okay. Hmm. 17-JDK is there?
Yes, yes. In my system, I install.
No. 1 second.
Okay.
The image is not itself there. See, 17-JDK is not the image, right? So open JDK, 17-JDK is not there. 17-Alpine is there.
Okay.
It is Alpine. Yeah. 17-JDK, there is no image. Okay. Now do that.
So I need to build this again.
Yes. Again. No. See, right now, can you go to your target folder first of all? Target folder.
Okay.
So obviously there is a 0.0.1 is already there, right? So you
Yes,
don't
yes.
have to change now
Okay.
because only the image you are changing inside the Docker file, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now execute the Docker command, Docker build -t. Execute that.
Yes, yes. I'm going to that location.
Okay. You can just go to the location, right?
Yes, yes. I need jar name.
I can see only your STS.
Okay. I think I'm not sharing my
Stop sharing your screen and click
okay,
the
okay.
first one, which is a screen.
Screen. Okay. So I'm just copying the jar name.
No. First of all, Akash.
Yes, yes. I'm in Git
Yeah,
base.
I can see your screen now. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Docker build -t. I need.
No. You can give whatever the image name that you want.
Okay, okay.
You can give your name also. It's not
Yes, yes, yes.
fine. Yeah. And I see. One second. It will take some time.
Yes, yes.
Okay, meanwhile, there was one other person who was facing a class version error. Who was that? Saksham. Is that issue resolved, Saksham? Hmm. Okay. Of course, Murli. Make sure that make sure that you have a very good internet connectivity, Akash, because
Yes, yes.
mine is obviously 150 Mbps speed.
Okay.
So
I'm using mobile networks.
sorry.
I'm using mobile network. Airtel.
Hmm. Run the image. No, no. Give hyphen P first. You need to expose the port,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Port. Think. Let me check my port on this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
80.
By default, it will be 8080 only.
Yes, yes. Okay.
No, 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 no. Don't give dot. Give the image name hyphen T
Okay.
and the image. What is the image name? No, no,
Okay.
no need to give dot.
Okay.
Dot
Net.
is only required during build.
Okay.
Enter it. The system is very slow, Akash.
Yes, yes, yes. Started.
Now go to your controllers and see what is the endpoint.
API product message.
Okay. Hmm.
This site can't be reached. If I give the IP address of this Docker master, then it will work. We will come to the Docker.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, but this is not the expected one. Minimize it.
Yeah.
Go to your Docker desktop.
Sir, desktop is not working for me.
Why you have to use Docker? So you have installed it through commands.
No. Directly I installed through GUI only.
Sorry.
Our website, the Docker website only I downloaded that.
So you have to maintain Docker desktop, Akash, not the Docker.
Sir, Docker desktop is not working for me. It's showing
Just
only starting engine.
do you have the Docker desktop in hands?
Yes, I have.
Open that. Open that.
It will showing this one only, sir. Starting the desktop engine. It will not go further.
Can you click on the settings tab on the top?
Okay.
Cancel.
I tried lots of solutions on YouTube, but it's not working for me.
No, I think Docker desktop is very easy to install. I don't know why it is not.
Yes. But for me, it is showing this one only, sir. Starting the Docker engine.
Okay, keep it like that for some period of time. Okay, you
Yes,
can
yes.
share your
Yes.
screen.
Okay.
Saksham, can you just share your screen? Please unmute from your side.
Can you see my screen clearly, sir?
Yeah.
Here, I tried a few things. I am a non-IT fresher.
Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Let me just wait. Can you just click on the file options on the top? Go to project structure.
How can I minimize these instructions, sir?
Sorry.
Zoom. There is Zoom mute buttons, start video buttons. How can I minimize those?
Hey, you can just move it to down, man. Move it to down.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Now, sir.
Go to the project structure. Go to the project structure, and then
Okay.
select the project on the top. So here, select the language level. Select the language level as 17. 17, yeah. Go to the modules. Go to the modules. On the left side, go to the modules.
Don't I use? Okay.
What is the version here?
21.
Then how it will compile, man?
Actually,
I said to you
I
in the
tried
beginning.
to compile in 21 first, then I installed 17 because I tried to.
Not required. Keep
Yes,
everything in 17. This is what I was saying from the beginning itself. Select 17.
Can't see 17 here. 16, 18.
No 17.
Oh, on the front.
There will be 17.
Done, sir.
Go to SDKs now. Go to SDKs. What is this E programs? Can you just open that file?
Actually, JDK I have installed in that folder, sir. All the programs.
Can you?
I have.
No. Do one thing. There is a JDK home path, right? Yeah. Can you go to that?
JDK 17
Go to that. Go to
is
that. Go to
okay.
inside that, man. Yeah. That's all.
Okay.
Close it now. Close it now.
Close it.
Click on apply and click on OK in the bottom.
Apply and okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Remove, delete the target folder because the class files are generated inside that using 21. Remove that folder completely. Right click and delete it. Just click on delete button, bro.
Where actually I'm new to this ID.
You can also press delete button on your
Okay.
keyboard.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Now what you can do, you can just do Maven clean install again. No, don't do that. Don't do like this. Can you just minimize this terminal first of all
Okay.
and go to your pom.xml? Can you right click on this pom?
Okay.
Hold on. What is the version you are having over here? First of all, Java version.
Java.
Go to the top, buddy. What is the version
Yes,
of you are using?
21.
Then what do you need to use then?
17.
Uh,
17.
Refresh it. There is a yum refresh icon on the top right. Refresh
Okay.
that. Yeah, click on that.
Done.
Yes. Now what you can do, you can just go to the Maven and reload project. Go to the Maven option and reload project. Reload the project now. That's why it is actually selecting the compiler as 21, not 17.
Okay, reload done, I think so.
Yeah, and now do the Maven clean install now. What is this?
I think there is something wrong with
You don't have
Maven.
Maven installed on your machine, first of all.
I have installed it, sir.
Open the environment variables. I know people what they will just say they have installed it, but why Maven is not getting recognized? Open the environment system variables.
Okay.
Go to environment variables, man. Go to the path. Go to the path on the top. Edit it. Now, where is the Maven path here? There is no Java home path also. I said this on the day 1 or day 2. Install Maven, install Java like this. Otherwise, you will not be able to.
Here my Maven is installed, sir.
Maven is installed, but you have not set the. Go to the bin. Go to the bin first. Go to the bin. Copy the path on the top.
Copy.
Yeah.
Done.
Now create new and paste it over here. Yeah. Click on OK. Now create another variable. New. Maven underscore capital letters. Maven underscore home. Paste the same path and remove the /bin. Copy the same path and remove /bin. That's it. Click on OK.
Okay.
Now go to the path. Go to the path again and click on edit. Go to the path and click on edit.
Path. Edit.
Yeah. Where is your Java home path here? You are making me to set up the path. Go to the bin. Go to the bin.
Okay.
Copy the path. I showed this to you on the day 2 or day 3, I guess.
Okay.
Create new Java underscore home. Remove backward slash. Click on OK. Now close the terminal and open it again. Close the terminal. Not like this. There is a close option. Yeah. Now click the terminal and click on Maven Clean install again. Can you just minimize this?
Actually, it was working.
Command terminal, buddy.
It was working properly.
Can you write-
Maven Clean install yesterday.
Can you just right click on the project now? Right click on the project, not on the POM, on the project.
Okay.
Can you just go to open in? There is an option open in.
And in
Explorer. Can you go inside the folder? Can you type? Can you just select the path on the top? Select the path on the top. Just type CMD. Just type CMD. Now open that. Can you just execute MVN space version?
what, sir?
MVN space version.
Okay.
Make sure that you are in a good location. There's a lot of disturbance from your side.
Actually, there is a patient here.
Do Maven Clean install.
Maven Clean. Yes. All.
That's it. Very simple. Now run the application. Go to your Spring Boot. Go to the main application. Main.java. Let's run this application. Right click on this and run this application. It will run. No, it is running. It is running, buddy. Stop for a minute. Everything is working.
Yes.
But then it's a problem from your side. Unshare your screen. Unshare your screen. Naresh, I cannot leave any person like this because this is a starting problem. Yes, Naresh.
Sir, I'm sharing my screen. You given me, I think, WSC import that file, but still sharing my screen, right? I am locked on this tab. While starting, still I'm getting, I restarted my PC also, but still I'm getting same errors.
Okay. Just wait for some time here. Okay. Can you just click on the settings page?
Sir?
Diagnose and okay, quit it.
Diagnose and feedback.
Reset Docker to factory defaults. Don't click until I say it, buddy.
Sorry.
Did I say to you click on anything?
Oh, sorry. I'll do it quickly again.
Click on settings directly. Click on settings.
On settings.
On the top, there is a settings.
So it's closed immediately, sir. I got this.
Reset
this one.
Docker to factory defaults.
It's completed
Restart the
successfully.
application. Can you restart the Docker now? Open Docker desktop.
Can I proceed to Docker desktop, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, this one I don't know.
Okay, I think it is starting Docker desktop in the bottom. So can you just open the upward arrow button in the taskbar menu? In the taskbar menu, there is an upward arrow button before the mic. Before the mic.
Before the mic, okay. What I put, okay.
Okay, so what I will do, so tomorrow I will be able to take your screen in control. I will just ask the narration management to control your screen as well. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time for everyone. Okay, so
Okay.
tomorrow we'll look into this issue.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I think
Okay,
it's
thanks.
almost been 9:50. Okay, so
Okay.
anyhow, anyone else is facing the issue? Anyone? Anyone from the group? How many people are having issues in local? I think one person is Akash and another person is Naresh. And then who is the other person? Guys, tell me, the next time when I'm just taking the sessions, I can ask anyone to share their screen. If I see these kind of issues, I will not tolerate, first of all. Okay? No one has any issues related to any environments? They were not able to run Docker or something like that? Akash, so what you can do for now, so Akash and also Raju, so sorry, Akash, Raju and Naresh Y. So first of all, what you can do, first of all, uninstall Docker desktop on your system and try to install it from the beginning. So just do this and let me know in the Telegram channel. If not, I will be able to send one Teams link to everyone and you can join over there. I'll resolve your issues instead of resolving that in the daily sessions. Okay. So I will just share you one link. You just have to log in there and you can just share your screen and I will be able to take the control of your screen. So in that case, probably every issue will be getting resolved. Okay. So that's the assurance that I can give to everyone. So I hope that helps everyone. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is what we are going to do from the next time. So if anyone is going to face any kind of issue, kindly post your queries inside the Telegram channel. And most probably from Wednesday and Thursday, we will be starting with the mini project after completing this Docker Compose. So Docker Compose, I think I can take it tomorrow because it's been almost 10 o'clock. So tomorrow we'll just start with Docker Compose. We will just analyze what are all the considerations that we need to do. And once tomorrow Docker Compose is done for user registration service as well as the MySQL database, on Wednesday, we will see the complete architecture of designing the mini project. And then we will start accordingly designing our microservices required for the microservices based architecture. Okay, will that be fine for everyone? Okay, but we do we still have some time for 15 to 20 minutes. If you have any concerns, kindly share it to me, or if not, you can just ping it in the Telegram channel. That will be really helpful, and I will be able to communicate with you in a separate meeting link, not in the daily session meeting. Okay, hope that helps for everyone, and probably Murali. Yes, Murali.
Hello, sir. I want to ask a kind of personal question. It's
Sorry?
about the job. It's about the job, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll get a call today. So they are going to introduce me to the client company, client teammates, you know. So I want to know what kind of questions I can talk or ask, or I just go with the flow. Because
even if it is a client or if it is a payroll company, it doesn't matter. So everyone is going to cover topics wise and concept wise, and sometimes probably clients will also ask you to write some Java programs, or if not, they will just proceed with the topics wise.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it, Murli.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Happy now?
Hi, sir.
Hi, Abhinav. Tell me.
Yeah, sir. Nothing, sir. Actually, we do have some time, right? Just like if you say some interview questions like on Docker and Docker Compose in real time, that would be helpful,
First
I
of all,
think so, right?
Abhinav,
Only on Docker and Docker.
yeah, that is fine, Abhinav. See, right now, there is, you have at least only 10 to 15% of Docker knowledge only. Okay.
Okay.
Remaining things will be completely clear to you once Docker Compose is covered. Until Docker Compose is covered, I cannot say you the Docker interview questions right now, right?
Okay.
That's the
So
thought.
it was just like we have time now. That's it. I asked it. Nothing else.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Thanks.
Giridhar Reddy. This is just to clarify the questions in today's call, but the problem is I just have to say or resolve their issues, at least one of them or two of them. Otherwise, they will not be able to proceed, right, Girdhar Reddy? I said that I will resolve their issues most probably in the other meeting links, not in these daily sessions. This is just a way to communicate with everyone that if anyone is facing any kind of issue, they can just ping in the Telegram channel and I will be able to post one meeting link. They can join over there. Gaurav?
Hi, sir. Yeah. Sir, since we don't use Docker in our project, that's why this question came in my mind. So, suppose, sir, in a team, suppose 5 developer is working, and each developer is working on their separate branch, feature branch, which is created from master branch. Okay. So, sir, when it comes to deployment, we maintain, one common branch. And all developer merge their code on common branch, and then we deploy for QA testing environment. So if we will use Docker there, so we will create image for that common branch, or what, or it depends on company to company, sir?
No. It is actually the same process. So that's the reason, wait for tomorrow until the Docker Compose is discussed. So you'll not be getting a complete picture, first of all.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. See,
Okay.
Docker Compose is basically there for different environments. We have it for QA environment. Docker Compose file is different. For dev environment, Docker Compose file is different. And for production environment, the Docker file will be different. Docker Compose file will be different. So that is the reason. Still, the Docker is not covered. So let's wait for tomorrow, and then probably you'll get a complete picture on that, Gaurav.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Since you are not using Docker, that is fine. But most of the people or 99% of the companies will use Docker. Okay. And one more thing.
Yeah.
So right now you don't have Docker files or so do you have Jenkins file in your project?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, if you have a Jenkins file, then there will be a Docker file. But right now they are not asking the developers to write Docker file and Docker Compose files. They do the deployments basically on this. Do you know where the deployment is going to happen for your applications?
Yeah. Yeah. We use DevOps and DevOps
That
tool
is
for
fine. DevOps is fine, but where your application is finally getting deployed?
on server
No.
environment.
See, that is fine. So it's the Linux-based environment. Are they using any cloud?
Linux.
Linux environment.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine then, Gaurav.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I think that's all for today. Sorry for the session disturbance because I do have to clarify something so that they will not they will not raise these concerns again in daily sessions. So probably we will connect tomorrow and then discuss on Docker Compose finally. Okay. So have a great day and happy learning for you all. Bye.